When you migrate to 3G networks, speed of provisioning is key. Speed provides faster time to revenue, lower operational costs, and better user experiences. When you deploy 3 or 4G networks, you need to add bandwidth to the cell sites. Not just one cell site, but thousands of cell sites, or even tens of thousands. Let's say it takes an hour to provision a cell site. If you had 10,000 cell sites and were working 24/7, provisioning those would take more than a year. With the Telabs 8000 Network Manager, you can provision a cell site in just seconds, lowering operating expenses dramatically. One customer told us, when provisioning to a cell site with the Telabs 8000 Network Manager, it's 5 times faster. Here's the proof. To deploy a new cell site, a switch technician uses the Telabs 8000 Network Manager to provision the circuits. Using simple point-and-click action, it's easy and quick. He selects a group of 4 end-to-end circuits, chooses a mobile switching center, selects a cell site, and just that quick, the site is ready to go. That results in faster time to revenue, lower operational cost, and better user experiences. Managing ever-changing mobile networks can be complex. The power of the Telabs 8000 Network Manager makes it faster and easier.